my channel. My name is Courtney and I'm so excited that you are here today. Today, just like the title suggests, we have a Beautylish Lucky Bag unboxing. I'm a couple weeks late. I got this about 2 weeks ago now at this point. Unfortunately, we had a family death and then I'm just now getting back into the swing of things. So not to put a damper, we knew it was coming, but unfortunately that just took me away from being able to film last week this unboxing. So let's go ahead and get right into it. This year I ordered the extra large lucky bag. The last couple years I've tried to order 2 lucky bags, the regular and the extra large. However, I wasn't able to do so this year, unfortunately. So, and that's just, I couldn't get both of my accounts to log in time and just a bunch of different things. So I just wanted to unbox this with you guys. If you're not familiar, Beautylish does the lucky bags every year. They do them the day after Christmas. The day after Christmas, you can order your lucky bag. It's for one day only. The extra large costs $150 and I believe the regular is $75, and then you pay shipping on top of that. And it's a complete mystery box of items. The lucky bag extra large, I believe the value is supposed to be $300 or more, and then it's double what you pay. So I think the regular is $150. Let me do the math. Yeah, $150. So you double what you have, and yeah, $150 would be the regular box. You are supposed to get double the value of what you paid for. So this year they did pay, you did have to pay $20 for shipping. So I'm gonna add that on and hopefully I get all of that back. So I'm looking for a value of $320 in my box here for me to justify what I spent the $150 on, or $170. So let's go ahead and just get right into it. Enough rambling from me. Beautylish sends them each year, and each year you have an artist that designs like this beautiful paper inside. My daughter ripped that open, but you get beautiful paper inside, the nice little lucky bag tag. Let's see if that'll focus. I'm using a new camera today, but this says, "You're one lucky duck. This bag is packed with a splash of joy, a sprinkle of luck, and a whole lot of beauty surprises. Enjoy the magic inside. Lucky Bag 2025. So the next time you'll be able to get one of these will be in December of this year, December 26, 2025. And this just features the artwork, which you can see is like a duck theme. I don't remember the artist name this year, but it's really cute, like Japanese inspired paper in here. Alrighty, so one thing I did notice with this year's bag or box is that normally I'm able to like pull out a bag from inside, and this year it's just like some bubble wrap wrapped in the product in here. So I don't know, slight downgrade I feel like from previous years. I'll link everything that's on my face below, but I am using also a Surat palette that you can buy on Beautylish, so I'll link that for you down below along with everything else here. But let's see what we got in our lucky box, lucky bag, and price this out for us. Alrighty, so I'm gonna start with what's just on top. The first item that I'm seeing here is a slip hair tie. My understanding is that you can't actually buy these individually like this, and I think that you have to buy them in like a 2 or a 3 pack. So let's just see what the price is. I'll put the price down here on the screen as well. But this is just a little scrunchie. I believe I've seen somebody else say these value for like $8. I might just, for the sake of the video, and if it changes, I'll put the price down below. But we're gonna start with our $320 on the screen, and I'm just gonna delete the $8. So we got $312 more to go. So first item is this slip little scrunchie in pink or this rose color, really pretty. And I'll definitely use this, but this is normally like, I find these in the last several years, boxes where they just kind of break up a package and throw these in individually. Almost like a sample of the scrunchie. The next item, you almost always get a Good Molecules item in your lucky bag. I believe it's a house brand for Beautylish. So we have the Beautylish, or the Good Molecules Pimple Patches Ultra Thin Hydrocolloidal Patches. And let's see, how many do you get in here? Does it say 60 patches? I don't really use pimple patches that frequently, but I'll hang on to them, you know, just for good measure. I did have a little breakout here. So let's see what these are. Good 1-pack, because you can buy these in 1, 2, or 3-pack. The 1-pack is another $8. So another $8 here. So subtracting from there, we got 304 to go to make up on this box. Next item that I'm gonna pull out here is from PSA, Purposeful Skin by Allies, Liquid Panacea. Liquid Panacea. I don't know what this is. It says promotes the appearance of firmer skin, smooth skin, provides antioxidants. Apply a few drops on face, eye, and neck area. Can be used on its own or mixed in with products. So we'll see what this product is. So it is a skincare product. Centella and Kombucha Firming Recovery Booster. Be it dull, fatigued skin, redness, or dehydration, the booster is the perfect add-on for all skin types, and it looks like it retails for $31. So we'll subtract 31. We got 273 left to go. $31 for this little skin booster, Liquid Panacea from PSA. I'm excited to try that. I love trying skincare, so I will definitely use that. Next up, we have an RMS product, the RMS Beauty Legendary Serum Lipstick. I actually have not tried these, so I am excited to try this. This is in the shade Angela. This Legendary Serum Lipstick retails for $35. It has 1.5 stars on Beautylish. My guess is it's actually because it's one of those like twist up products, and my guess is you probably can't twist it down. So let's take a look here. Oh, that shade is really pretty for like fall, winter. This again is in the shade Angela, and it's like this berry red color. It's looking a little brick there, but it's like a berry red color. So that is the RMS product, and again, what did I say? $35. We got 238 left to go. All these items will be linked down below as well. This is like a really thick, like crayon-y formula, but yeah. See a product I'm pretty excited about in here. All right, we'll start off with the less exciting. Although I do really like trying new shampoo. So I have the Jupiter Hydrating Shampoo, moisturizes and maintains, powered by Moisture Restore technology. So a 9.5 fluid ounce bottle of shampoo. And this just says a gentle moisturizing daily cleanser that soothes the scalp while preventing dryness, flakes, and itch. So I can definitely always use a good hydrating or moisturizing shampoo. I did just recently start using Pros because I feel like I have had bad luck with shampoo and conditioner lately. And so I did switch to that, but Jupiter. No. So the Jupiter Hydrating Shampoo retails for $32. So we got 206 left to go. We got a lot to make up here. And there's only a few more products left, but the Jupiter Hydrating Shampoo, it does say suitable for all hair types, safe for color and chemically treated hair, cruelty and vegan free, sulfate, paraben, and phthalate free as well. So we'll give this a try and I'll report back once I use it, or you'll see it in an empties. Next up, we did get a Sonia G brush, which we do normally get a Sonia G brush. This is the Walnut Builder in medium. I have only purchased the Builder M, a handful of Sonia G brushes myself, but I do love getting them in this box, and I've gotten one almost, I think, every single time. So let's take a look and see. So this brush retails for $32. It's like a nice flat brush. See if it'll focus there. There we go. Nice flat brush here. Great for maybe like packing in something on the lid. $32. Everything seems to be like $32 today. 174 left to go. Alrighty, another item, and I don't know if I actually have this shade, but I do own this item and I do enjoy this item, is the Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Island Glow Lip and Cheek color. And this is going to be in the shade Pinched Cheek Glow. It's gonna focus there. Did it focus already and I missed it? Yeah, there we go. Alrighty, so let's see. I don't remember. These are, I think, also like $32. something. All right, so this is the shade, and I'm actually very excited about this shade because I've been into more like reddish tone blushes lately. I think they're very flattering. I'm so sorry, the lighting is changing right now. Literally, there must be a cloud, but so I do really like this shade because I am into like these more red tones. I think they're really natural. This retails for $40. You wouldn't think it would be super natural looking, but it does give like a really natural flush tone. So I swatched it here and just kind of blended it out a little bit, but that's the shade. I think it'll be a really, really pretty shade. It's looking a little more pink once I swatch it, and that is $40. So we got $134 left to go to get our value here in this box. I am very glad that I got this item because I have added this to my Beautylish cart multiple times and have stopped myself. I specifically stopped myself just in case they sent some Chantecaille items in this box recently, and I'm so excited that I did this. But the Chantecaille Cassis Eye Duet is the item. I'm sorry, that's very like reflective. There you go. And I love Chantecaille products so much. I'm a big fan of Chantecaille. And I'm sure that this is at least, I don't remember what it was, even though I've looked at it 100 times trying to get it open. I'm sure this is probably at least like $60 honestly for a duo. $65. Alrighty, so this is the outside packaging. You get really pretty like floral design there on the packaging. And then inside, this is the Eye Duet. There is a little mirror, it looks like in here. Yeah, a little mirror up at the top. It's just a piece of paper that protects it. And this is in Cassis. So there's your shimmer right there. And then here's like your purpley matte shade right here. So there are your two shades, and I'm very excited to have this because I almost ordered this multiple times. Like usual, that purple is not swatching great, but I imagine that it will perform much better on the eyes. But the shimmer is actually very pretty, like a golden shimmer shade. So that was $65, so let's subtract that. We got $69 to go, and I do know that this item in here is gonna be more than $69. So the last item that I did get is the Danessa Myricks Groundwork palette in Blooming Romance. I own the Groundwork Original palette. I do not own the Blooming Romance palette. I did have interest in purchasing this when it initially launched, but I did not ever purchase it because I have a lot of palettes, and I'm glad I didn't purchase it now because now I would have had two if that was the case. I love Danessa Myricks. I really love almost every product that I've tried from her. The only product that I don't love from Danessa Myricks that I've tried is her concealer. Huh, interesting. I would have thought this was more. So this was $65, which means that I didn't get double the box. I had about $4 left over that I could have made up because I did calculate the shipping. Obviously, if I didn't calculate the shipping in here, and $16 would be the box value. I'll put all of that on the screen for you to see, obviously, but $16 would have been over the double value of the box. I've had better boxes in the past. I haven't watched anybody else's boxes this year, but this is probably one of the lesser value boxes that I've gotten. I must have gotten just very lucky in the past. But anyways, here's the Blooming Romance palette. You get these like cream shades along with, well, do you on this one? Do you get the cream? Yeah. So the larger pans are creams, and then the smaller pans are the powder. So you get a cream and a powder, and you can use these as you wish, but this is the Blooming Romance, and I'll get use out of this. This is a very pretty palette. And it honestly smells like berries. I don't know if that's like intentional, but it does smell very good. And then the packaging is very beautiful. You get a nice big mirror right here. And then this is what the outside packaging looks like. You have a little protective piece over this. And it's just Danessa Myricks Blooming Romance, and then your sticker on the back. So this was $65. That was our last item in the Beautylish Lucky Bag this year. Everything in here now is just trash, unless I'm missing anything. Nope, no other items. So that was everything in my Beautylish Lucky Bag this year. I'm gonna just get rid of some of this trash right now while I'm sitting here. Again, I would say that I've gotten better valued boxes in the past than I did this year, but very happy. It's a gamble that I take each year. It's something fun. It's almost like a little Christmas gift to myself each December. I'm ready to go when they drop the day after Christmas. And just because this box, you know, wasn't the best, I've done this for several years, and I will definitely be picking up this year's box as well. So let me know down below if you got a lucky bag, what you think about your lucky bag. Are you happy with it? What items did you get? What was your favorite item from your lucky bag if you did get one? And let me know if you've done it in previous years and how it compared this year to previous boxes that you've received. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you don't mind, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. Stick around. I have more beauty content coming along with like some clothing hauls upcoming and some bag reviews. I kind of do a mixture of those three just to kind of see what performs the best this year and kind of what direction we're gonna go in. But that's everything for me today. Thank you so much. I will see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye.